Hello guys, this is Teacher L. For today, we're going to learn about PEMDAS rule. So PEMDAS actually means P for parentheses, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So PEMDAS actually helps in simplifying problems with parentheses, exponents, and so on. So bali yung PEMDAS, ito yung magiging guide natin sa pagkasunod-sunod ng pagka-simplify ng isang problem. So meron tayong given number 1. So we have 7 quantity 6 plus 5 divided by quantity 21 divide 3 plus 4 plus 3. So yung unahin natin sa pag-simplify yung nasa parentheses. So we have 6 plus 5 and we have 21 divide 3. So first, copy lang natin yung 7. Then we simplify yung nasa parentheses. 6 plus 5 that is 11. 23 divide 3 that is 7. So copy lang natin yung division sign tapos add lang natin yung 4 plus 3. Then after parentheses, exponent. So sa given natin wala tayong exponent. So skip lang natin to. Then we proceed sa multiplication. So we multiply 7 times 11. So ito lang 7 times 11. So that is 77. Then copy lang natin yung the rest. We have 7, 4, and 3. Tapos after ng multiplication, we have division. So meron tayo yung division sign. So we have 77 divide 7. So we have 11. Tapos add lang natin yung 4 plus 3. Then i-add na lang natin. So after division, we have addition. So we add 11 plus 4 plus 3. So that is 18. So this is our answer. Next, we have 63 divide 9 plus 5 times 15 divide 3 minus 4 times 6. So first, unahin natin yung nasa parentheses. So we have 63 divide 9, 15 divide 3, tsaka 4 times 6. So we have 63 divide 9, that is 7. Tapos 15 divide 3, this is 5. And 4 times 6, so that is 24. Then we proceed sa exponent. So wala tayong exponent na given. So skip lang natin siya. Then we multiply. So we multiply 5 times 5. So that is, copy lang natin yung 7. 5 times 5, that is 25. Tapos we have negative or minus 24. So we simplify. We add 7 plus 25 minus 24, that is equivalent to 8. So our answer is 8. So pwede nyo ring itry sa calculator ninyo to make sure na tama yung sagot natin. For our third example, we have 4 cubed times 2 divided by 2 times 4 minus quantity 8 minus 3 plus 2 minus 7. So first, i-consider natin yung nasa parentheses. So ito siya. So we have 8 minus 3 plus 2. So for our solution, first copy lang natin tong naunang mga given. Tapos we simplify 8 minus 3 plus 2, that is 7. Tapos copy lang natin yung negative 7. After parentheses, we have exponents. So we simplify 4 raised to the power of 3. So that is 4 times 4 times 4, that is 64. Then we copy the 2. Then copy lang natin yung the rest. After exponent, we have multiplication. So we multiply 64 times 2, then 2 times 4. So that is 64 times 2, that is 128. 2 times 4, that is 8. Then copy lang natin yung the rest. After multiplication, we divide. We divide 1 to 8 by 8. So that is 16. Then copy lang natin yung dalawang negative 7. So since wala naman tayong addition, so we subtract 16 minus 7 minus 7. So that is 2. So for this problem, our answer is